Figs. Hi, this is gonna be a Justice haul. So, sorry, I have that much time. I have a Justice sweatshirt that just says, I'm getting it. Love Justice, like that. And I got the pants too, but I'm wearing them. See, I'm wearing them. Sue. Sorry for the bag for. Oh yeah, my extra bag in there. But I also have a tiny bag. And here I have just thing, and I have a hair tie, and it's just out of feather, and it's had like a little decoration, like a little spark. And I have Justice nail polish, glitter nail polish. I love that. I'm wearing it right now. I also have strawberry smoothie. That goes on your backpack or your makeup bag or any carry-on thing or anything. And mine is strawberry smoothie, and I have extras. I have my BFF and sleepovers. And my sleepovers is blue raspberry, and my BFF is cotton candy. And I also bought these brand new, so cute shoes. I love these shoes so much. They're like regular shoes, and then they're high heels. And I'm allowed to wear this to the gym, but I only wear sneakers, so I'm allowed to wear these, surprisingly. Sorry, that's all I got. Later. Oh yeah, subscribe if you want. Yeah, that was just a Justice haul. Later.